Hello, good morning, children. Today, let us study about the human rights. You have learned about the fundamental rights, isn't it? We have 6 fundamental rights given by the Constitution. But human rights are different from the fundamental rights. Now, what are human rights, children? The rights which are the same for all the people all over the world. They are called human rights. But fundamental rights are not all equal for all the people all over the world. But human rights are equal for and same for all the people all over the world. Today, let us study what are fundamental human rights. Human rights do not depend on gender, children. It doesn't depend on the gender. Whatever gender it may be, it may be male or female. It doesn't depend on the gender. And it doesn't depend on the community or social group, whichever community it may be. They are not depend on that. And they are not depend on the country, whichever country you belong. But human rights is not different from the people. Those who belong to India, it is different, and those who belong to China, it is different. No, all the human rights are same for all the people all over the world. Then also languages. Whatever language you speak, but human rights doesn't change them. It is same. Religion also and political beliefs also and income. This is human rights do not depend on these things. This is the gender, community, country, language, religion, political beliefs and income. Is it understood, children? Now, human rights. Human rights, which are same for people all over the world, are called the rights which are same for all people all over the world are called human rights. There are 30 basic human rights, some of which are as follows. Only some are mentioned. That is, each person is born free. Each person is born free. He is free. He can do anything. Means he has right to stop. He has right to move from one place to another. He has right to education. No one can treat with cruelty. No one can treat others with cruelty. Everyone has the right to practice their religion freely. They can practice any religion freely without any restrictions. So this is one of the human rights. Everyone has right to work and choose suitable type of work. Every people can have the right to choose their work. It may be engineer, it may be doctor, teachers, any work. So they have right to choose that and any type of work. And everyone has right to education. These are some of the human rights, children. There is each person is born free. No one can be treated with cruelty. Everyone has right to practice their religion freely. Everyone has right to work and choose a suitable type of work. Everyone has right to education. This is about the human rights, children. Thank you, children.